I'm John Cristani. In the next 45 seconds, I'm going to show you how I've been able to earn over $14,000 this weekend while I'm here partying with some friends at a music festival. I used to be broke, beardless, and work a corporate job that I absolutely hated, to the point where I'm at now, where the last couple of years I've been able to earn millions of dollars so I can spend time with my family, with friends, racing Lamborghinis, skiing, and all over the world, kite surfing, traveling, and going to really sweet music festivals like this one I'm at right now. At least 4 of my students have been able to earn millions of dollars doing exactly what I'm doing, and the success is absolutely outstanding.
He's actually one of the smartest internet marketers I know.
One of the best teachers there are.
He has your best interests in mind.
I encourage you to take the leap. I'm trying to tell you what the education system won't tell you. I'm trying to tell you what the media won't tell you. I'm trying to tell you what your family and friends will not encourage you to do, which is to take your life into your own hands so you can take ownership of your time, so you can take ownership of your finances, so you can live a life that you deserve. Now, to register for this training, you can click the link. If you're on mobile, then top right, or if you're on desktop, you click a link in the bottom left, and you'll be able to get access to this free training. You'll come to a page where you'll be able to enter your name, email, and phone number, and you'll be given a link to your specific date and time of this week's live training. I look forward to seeing you on this exclusive training and in the next video.